most of the time, you don't get a second chance with electricity. Safety probably was the #1 thing for my dad. He certainly was when he worked for public service. He was just terribly safety-minded about the whole thing, and that kind of rubbed off, of course, to me and to Rich. He had one lineman die while he was his 19 years. That really affected him. I mean, through no fault of his own or anything he could have done about it. And you see a lot of linemen who have hurt permanently. We had one friend who the line dropped down on his shoulder and cut through, and lucky he survived. You know, and he went from being about 6'4" to about 5'11" or so, and we just never could stress, you know, safety and what it needs. Don't assume anything.
So you just can never lose your presence of mind. Linemen know this, and they try to practice that 100% of the time, but you can never stop.
Always remember, safety is the most important thing you can do. You must think safety at all times, at all costs. Stay safe.